And here is the new design. It's actually a pretty big bulb. They redesigned it because this part right here was actually plastic and it didn't have any LEDs there, and now they changed it. So just wanted to show you what the bulb was. It's a totally good bulb. It's super bright. It's kind of hard to show how bright it is, especially when it's kind of dark outside. Cameras don't do very well in the light transition between dark and light so much, unless you have one of those cameras that cost like $90,000 to be able to do that. But I'll try to show you outside when it's dark that these lights, I can't tell you enough how super bright it is. It's pretty big. It has about 4,000 lumens, which are really great, and I'll show you in the clip next. But this is with it installed on outside of the building here. It's fully lit. You'll just never be able to see, but it has the bottom part that's lit, and around the side, and I'll pan around the other side of the bulb. Just to show you how it kind of goes around, and so this is the brightness right outside after. All right, so here's the one in my back. It has the old design, and you probably can't really tell. It's actually right now the weather it's dark, it's snowing, and you can see it's very hard to see, but you can see out there there's a big tree, 30-foot tree that goes out there. The more the aperture won't light up, it makes it darker, but it's very bright. You can see past this huge oak tree right here. You can't see it on here on the camera, but I can see past there. Further down you can see all this is lit up, and further down. All right, here's the next one that I installed up there. Once again, it's so bright that it's blurring the camera out, and the aperture is going to make it darker so that it can see, but it's pitch dark out. I live on about 18.5 acres of land straight out there. You see my car, and the light does kind of stretch out there, and actually out here too. There's a small light that's right there, but that's all right. So there you see some of my video of the bulb and some actual pictures. The pictures showed a little bit more of what actually is light output onto the yard and walkways and stuff like that. So I would totally recommend picking one of these up at Home Depot for about $39.99 to about $40. They're really good. They're really bright, and it's totally worth the money, I would say. Especially if you have a place like a barn or something like that. You're looking for a cheap place that's light and it's safe light that doesn't heat up or anything like that. I've owned mine for about, well, this one's brand new, but another one, the older one I was talking to you about, I've had it for about 8 months now, and I leave mine on all day, all night, and haven't had a problem at all. No glitching, no type of blinking going on or anything like that. So it's been pretty solid, pretty good technology for the budget price and how big this thing is. It really works. So I hope this helped you out, maybe convinced you, showed you a little bit, and maybe you'll pick one up for yourself. As they say on Reading Rainbow, don't take my word for it, swing by and get one yourself.